April, April, der macht, was er will. That's an old German proverb that says, the weather does whatever it wants in April. And that was absolutely true in Germany this year. Google also does what it wants, but only for your benefit, by working on various updates for Google Workspace. And I'll show you what they are. Portrait touch-up in Google Meet. You got up with big dark circles under your eyes and now you have a video call? No problem. Google Meet now has a portrait touch-up that will make you look a lot fresher. You can choose between two different strengths. New email editor in Gmail. Since 2022, you can use Gmail to send emails with a professional layout for newsletters, for example, in addition to normal emails. Google has provided some templates for this purpose, which can be customized with your own colors and logo. Now there's a full email layout editor with which you can customize the standard templates further or even create your own templates. You can then save these and share them with your colleagues so that they can also use your templates. And you can even work together on a layout, just like in a Google Doc. More precise settings in docs, slides and drawings. Google has now added the option to enter direct numbers for all settings that are made using slider controls, such as adjustments to image, shapes, tables and text. This allows you to make adjustments very precisely if necessary. Filtering merged cells. It is now possible to filter merged cells in Google Sheets. Filters can be used for both vertically and horizontally merged cells, according to conditions, values and colors. And horizontally merged cells can also be sorted according to values or color. Create Looker Studio reports directly from Google Sheets. With Looker Studio, you can visualize data from various sources easily and free of charge. In addition to Google Analytics, YouTube and BigQuery, for example, also from Google Sheets. Previously, however, you had to select a Google Sheet as the data source from Looker Studio. Now you can also select data directly from Google Sheets to create a Looker Studio report. Advice on sharing when embedding Drive content in Sites. You can easily embed content from Google Drive in Google Sites, such as PDF files or Google Slide presentations, for example. If you do this or publish the Google site, a dialog will now open that informs you of the permissions that may be required so that other users can also see this content. Advanced search in Google Drive. The search function on the new Google Drive homepage has been improved with helpful filters to help you find the files and documents you want even faster. Dark mode in Google Drive on the web. Google is gradually enabling dark mode in all applications. Now it's the turn of the web version of Google Drive, which you can now also use in dark mode. Information about the capacity of shared folders. A maximum of 400,000 items can currently be stored in shared folders in Google Drive. That's quite a lot, which is rarely reached. If you and your colleagues actually get close to this limit, a banner will be displayed if there is less than 20% space left. Voice messages in Google Chat. Now they're here, the voice messages. You probably already know this function from your private WhatsApp. Now you can also record voice messages in the Google Chat app on your smartphone. This is particularly useful when you're on the move and don't have time to type. The function for recording voice messages will soon also be integrated into the web version. Google is also planning to transcribe voice messages into text in the coming month. New overview of shared content in chat spaces. Many files, documents and links are shared in chat spaces. Now you can find an overview of all this content in the spaces in the Shared tab. There, the content is grouped by type and you can see when and by whom it was shared. Chat interoperability between Google Chat and other messaging platforms. If you work in a larger organization, you may find that different parts of the company work with different software. If one part of the company is working with Microsoft Teams or Slack as a chat tool, Google Chat now offers interoperability so that you don't have to switch back and forth between tools to chat with all your colleagues. Tip of the month. Find meeting recordings via Google Calendar. With Google Meet you can easily record meetings. This is useful if you or colleagues were unable to attend a meeting, or for documenting decisions, for example. But where do you find that damn recording again? The easiest and quickest way is via the appointment in Google Calendar. Simply go to your Google Calendar and search for the event whose recording you want to view. In the event details, you will find the Google Meet recording, if there was one, under Attachment. The recording is automatically shared with everyone invited to the meeting. I hope this tip will save you time searching for meeting recordings in the future.